Welcome to our channel. Today we how to deploy affiliate marketing with Subway, quick tutorial step by step clearly. Begin by researching the Subway affiliate program to understand its terms and conditions. Visit the official Subway website and navigate to their affiliate section. Review the program details, including commission rates and payment structures. Sign up for the Subway affiliate program by filling out the registration form. Provide required information such as your name, email, and website details. Wait for confirmation of your application from the Subway affiliate team. Once approved, access your affiliate dashboard to find your unique referral links. Explore approved marketing materials and resources provided by Subway. Choose products or promotions you want to promote based on your audience's interests. Create engaging content around those products, such as blog posts, videos, or social media updates. Incorporate your affiliate links naturally within your content. Leverage SEO techniques to enhance the visibility of your content on search engines. Share your content on various platforms, including social media and email newsletters. Monitor your performance metrics through the affiliate dashboard. Adjust your strategies based on what content drives the most traffic and conversions. Continuously engage with your audience to maintain their interest and trust. Keep up to date with Subway promotions and update your content accordingly for fresh engagement. Evaluate your overall performance regularly to identify areas for improvement and growth. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.